Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we have started with the very first chapter of Gulmohar, Be Prepared, written by Ruskin Bond. Children, in this chapter, Ruskin Bond is telling his story as a child. When he was a student, he was in school. And Be Prepared is a Boy Scout motto. Means that we must always be prepared to do our duty. But the writer of the story, Ruskin Bond, he had never been well prepared for anything. Whether it be an exam or a journey or some other activity. But now there was a rumor in the school. And why there was a rumor? Because he used to give the suggestions to the owner of the tuck shop in the school to make more and better samosas, jalebis, tikkis and pakoras. And children, you all know that in Scout various badges are given. And because of this rumor, with this qualification, Ruskin Bond also won a cookery badge. And now this was a time for the camp. And the Scout master, Mr. Oliver, he took them on a camping expedition to a mountain a few miles outside Shimla. This much children we have studied in the previous class. The first night we were put to work peeling potatoes, skinning onions, shelling peas and pounding masalas. Now this was the first night and they were supposed to prepare dinner. And now who will prepare dinner? Who has won the cookery badge? Yes, Ruskin Bond. And all the troop members, they were helping him. They peeled the potatoes, they skinned the onions, they were shelling the peas and pounding. Pounding means, pounding masalas means matlab masalon ko peesna. And when the ingredients were ready, ingredients children, ingredients are the things that are used to make something. When all the things were ready, I was asked. Ruskin Bond said that I was asked what should be done with them. So everything was prepared. Now as Ruskin Bond had to prepare everything, so he was asked what should be done with them. Put everything in that big dekchi. So he asked everything to be put in a big dekchi. Children, what is a dekchi? It is a round deep pan used for cooking. I ordered pure half a tin of ghee over the lot, and he ordered that pure half a tin of ghee over the lot to pure half a tin of ghee, and add some nettle leaves and cook for half an hour. And he also asked to add some nettle leaves and cook the dish for half an hour. And when this was done, everyone had a taste. And now when the dish was prepared, everyone tasted the dish and agreed that the dish lacked something. And but something was lacking in this dish. Now the dish was ready, and when everyone tasted the dish, all the troop members agreed that the dish lacked something. Something was lacking in the dish. So more salt I suggested. So Ruskin Bond, he asked to add some salt, but the dish still lacked something. But still something was lacking. So add a cup of sugar I ordered and a bottle of tomato sauce. So he ordered to add a cup of sugar and to add some sauce to it. And now this dish turned to be fabulous. The dish was a great success. Even Mr. Oliver, who had no idea what had gone into it, enjoyed it. And now everyone enjoyed the dish, and when they served it to Mr. Oliver, to their scoutmaster, he really liked it and asked the name of the dish. What's this called? He asked. He asked the name of the dish. The Bond Bhujia, said one of the boys. I had earned my cookery badge. So one of the boys from the troop, he said, he gave the name. It is Bond Bhujia. Why this Bond is coming? What do you understand by Bond? Yes, this is Ruskin Bond. The dish was named after him. The dish was named Bond Bhujia. And this is how he again earned his cookery badge. The next day, Mr. Oliver told us he would teach us tracking. Now, Mr. Oliver, he wanted to teach tracking to these children. What is tracking, children? Tracking is to follow the movements of a person, to find them. Taking a half-hour head start, he walked into the forest, leaving a trail of broken twigs, pine cones and chestnuts behind him. So, he started half an hour before and he walked into the forest, leaving a trail. So, they had to follow the trail. So, what is this trail? Children, trail is something, the marks which are left behind, like stones, wooden stakes, broken twigs, tehnia, pine cones, chestnuts. Chestnuts is a brown nut, usually roasted and eaten. Behind him, so the followers of the troop, so that they can follow their teachers or guide, etc. So, trail are the marks that are left behind by the person. Okay, so that left behind by the person, teacher or the guide, so that their students can follow them. We were to follow the trail until we found him, and so all of us had to follow the trail, follow these marks until we found Mr. Oliver. Unfortunately, we were not very good trackers. Now they were about to follow the trail, and they were Mr. Oliver was teaching them tracking. But in this chapter, Ruskin Bond is telling us that they were not good at tracking. We did follow Mr. Oliver's trail some way into the forest, but then we were distracted by a pool of clear water. To some distance, they follow Mr. Oliver's trail into the forest, but what happened? They were behind Mr. Oliver and they saw a river, and finally they just went near the river and the troop was lost. You can't say that they were lost, but they got distracted by the river. Distracted means unable to concentrate or give attention to something. So they were distracted by a pool of clear water. We jumped in and romped about. Romped means played with a lot of joy and energy, enjoying the sunshine. Now, all the members of the troop, they were enjoying in the pool, not with Mr. Oliver. They were enjoying themselves. It was full sunlight, enjoying the sunshine, It was full sunlight and they were enjoying themselves in the river. Hours later, feeling hungry. Now they were hungry, they were quite hungry. We returned to our campsite and prepared the evening meal. So they decided to come back to their camp. They were back to their camp again, and now they prepared the evening meal. It was Bond Bhujia again, and they again prepared Bond Bhujia. Now Ruskin Bond, he again made the same dish which he had already prepared the very first day, but with a few variations, with a few changes. And all the children and the members of the members of the troop, they enjoyed Bond Bhujia again. So children, only this much for tomorrow, and in the next class we will do the remaining part of the chapter. Thank you.